Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all well. So in today's episode of Let's Talk Creps, we're going to be talking about the Air Max 90 Lunar Suit and Tie Burgundy and Paisley. Now if you're new to the channel, please consider liking, commenting and subscribing. I upload every Saturday, and with that all being said, let's jump straight into this video. Okay, so just a little bit of history about the shoe before I get into it like I always do. Inside the box we have the Air Max 90 Lunar in the Burgundy and Paisley colourway. It was part of the suit and tie pack, which had 4 different variants of this Air Max 90, all with the Lunar outsole. Released back in September 2014, and the current selling price on this, I'll be honest, I thought this shoe was a bit of a sleeper, but looking at the selling prices, I'm not too sure now. So on StockX for this size, they're currently going for about £208. And on Goat it's 514, so it's quite a big jump between the two. So I don't actually know quite where to place this for resale, but yeah, something you can look into a bit more if you like the shoe and you want to look it up online. There is the size label and all the information there. So the colorway is burgundy, deep burgundy and chilling red. And yeah, with that all being said, let's jump into the shoe itself. So obviously I've taken the tissue paper out like I always do, just because it yellows your shoes. There's not a lot of yellowing that could happen on this, to be fair, but I just do it out of habit as well now. So the shoe itself is it's got such a nice upper. It's a shame it's got the Lunar outsole. I personally don't get on with the Lunar outsoles. I find them actually rather uncomfortable, just my personal preference. But if this upper was on a generic 90 outsole and midsole, I would have been so much happier. But anyway, with that all being said, let's have a look at this. So the whole upper of this shoe is this nice canvas burgundy hue with these aqua paisley accents all over it, and it really makes this shoe pop. It's a really nice shoe. Has the infrared sort of hits on the eye stays and sort of on the Air Max text with the burgundies as well. You've got the nice aqua text along the heel plate with the Nike Air, and also on the tongue with the Nike Air Max. The insole is this bright red with that aqua once more, and it also has these really nice leather brown swooshes. The quality on these shoes is impeccable. They've really pushed the boat out with the quality. There's a reason why these were a premium, and I think it's well deserved. Even the aglets have got these nice gold tips with the burgundy and aqua sort of dots throughout. And yeah, so there you go. Then you've got your, like I say, your white with your infrared outsole, air unit surround, aqua air unit, and then the Lunar outsole with these aqua hints with the black and infrared as well. I don't know if the pattern the pattern does differ between the shoes, but it's that paisley print anyway, so I imagine they link up in other aspects of the shoe. Obviously these have been worn, these aren't brand new. You can see where the paint's cracking away around the air surround. That's just the way it is. I mean, it's a pretty old shoe now, it's from 2014, so it's expected. But anyway, with that all being said, let's jump to some on foot. Okay, so that just about sums up today's video on this shoe. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please consider liking, commenting and subscribing. It's all free, it costs you nothing, and it helps you massively growing the channel. Also, comment down below if you've got any questions regarding this shoe or any other shoes I've covered on the channel. It's called Let's Talk Creps for a reason, so let's talk about them. But until next time, I hope to see you all in the next video.